Also tonight, a stern warning from the Slidell Fire Department to keep generators at least 20 feet away from windows, doors, and vents. It comes after one person died and another was hospitalized for carbon monoxide poisoning at a home on North Shore. Fire officials say they traced the high carbon monoxide levels to a generator. A fan was drawing the exhaust from the generator inside as colder weather approaches. They also want to remind people never to run those generators inside a basement or a garage or crawl space, and to make sure that you're testing your carbon monoxide alarms monthly.